Push the rod up to start the power. Push the rod down to turn on the power. Turn the key and start the engine. Press the clutch pedal, then turn on the power takeoff switch and slowly release the clutch pedal. First, confirm that the pressure value on the seabed valve pressure gauge is greater than 0.6. Then pull the seabed valve switch to make the pipeline unblocked. Then turn the three-way valve so that the dot on the three-way valve points to the right. Take out the oil unloading hose and connect it to the pump oil inlet interface. Turn the pump inlet valve handle to pump oil from the outside into truck tanker. Keep the power takeoff open, the seabed valve open, and turn the three-way valve so that the point faces left. Press the fuel dispenser switch to start the fuel dispenser. When the tanker has finished refueling, turn the knob to the right to turn off the tanker, and finally step on the clutch and turn off the power takeoff switch. First, pull down the fuel dispenser ball valve handle. Step on the clutch and turn on the power takeoff switch. Open the seabed valve switch. Turn the three-way valve so that the point is to the left. Connect the oil unloading interface with the oil unloading hose. Pull down the handle to pump oil out of the tank.